Okay, so close this one. Now once again view, it's working. Now what we are going to change, we're gonna just change the images. So where are the images? We have a lot of images, like if you go to the main sections, as you can see, you have the header. First of all, you have the navigations bar, and also you have the footer. So how can you change the images? Go to your theme sections. So where is your theme? As you can see, you have your theme here, and in the theme you have the assets, and in the assets you have a lot of files. To confirm whether it's working or not, go to the header. As you can see, you have just used the media and save icons. So that means you have the media in your resources or the theme. Okay, now I'm saying find this one, Control Shift F. So I'm saying file this one in the same file and replace with this code. Which code? This code. Replace one file, select it. Now you have created the dynamic or static code to the dynamic. So once again, refresh, click on the link or save icon. It's working fine. It's loading. So let's talk about the navigations bar. So find the PNG or find the JPG image. It's not there. So find another file like footer file. I'm saying find the PNG, or I'm saying find the JPG file. So as you can see, the JPG file is available here. So now what you need, I'm saying find all the JPGs file and replace with Control Shift F. Find all the JPGs file. Which file? I'm saying in the footer, not from the entire project. So now as you can see, I'm saying in the footer.blade.php available in the layouts. So find the .gpg file and replace with this code. Replace with this one .jpg. So just click on this one. As you can see, 17 place you're gonna replace. Okay, fine. So now I'm saying find the all gallery, or I should say find the media. Control Shift S. Make sure if you are doing like this or changing in the bulk, you have to consider. So here you have to add this one. So find, replace. I'm saying just click on this one. As you can see, 20 in 20 places you're gonna change this one. Make sure just Control Z, refresh the page. Why? Because we forgot this one. I think no. Once again, flash. Let's suppose what is the problem. Okay, so fine. So go to the top, find, because this is the SVG, so that's why it was not working. So check the manually, the code is working fine, as you can see. Also find the .svg. So here you can also do the same process to change in bulk. SVG, fine. Find the .png file. Similarly, PNG files are not available here. So now go to the bottom. As you can see, the images are appearing here. So once again, find the page, which page I'm saying, where we are loading the home page. So this is the home page, and here load this one. Find the all PNG file and do the similar job. Which job? I'm saying find all the .png file, but in this time from home.blade.php. As you can see, replace with this one. Okay, just click on this one. As you can see, it's saying 6 places. So now once again, I'm saying find all the media, or you can say find the data image media. Also replace with this one. Make sure you have to check carefully what you are doing. Fine, refresh. Now click on this one, click on this one. As you can see, you have added, you are saying go to the theme media and then okay, fine. So now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see in 1450 home page, 1450. So directly 1450. So here, so you have to add this. Okay, so now as you can see, it's showing you the error here because we have changed the png file and this is the jpg file, so that's why it's giving you the error. Once again we are saying, okay, so as you can see this one, we are saying find all the jpg file, refresh and replace with this one. Make sure replace with this one .jpg file only in this file. So as you can see, it's saying 97 places you have replaced. Make sure this is the .jpg file you have. So now find the .jpg file. Once again, as you can see, it's working fine. So find those files which use the src. So that, as you can see, it's saying src, control shift enter. So in this time, copy, sorry, paste this here and also go to the Vite and also hit the enter button. Boom, you have done. Go to the page, refresh the page. No need to refresh, it will automatically added. So 1392. So go to the 1392. As you can see, 1392. So 92. Find where is the problem. So as you can see, this is the problem, or here is the problem. SVG is the problem. So that's why it's giving you the error. So in this time, I'm saying find all the SVG, control SVG, and now I'm saying replace with this one. So in this time, SVG. So make sure control C, it's here. Fresh. So one, go to the page, refresh the page. Now you have successfully added the images quickly. So rather than adding one by one image manually, so you can use this approach to add all the images here. So now if you go to the console, right click, as you can see, you have only two images. So 404 error. Where are the images? So I think in the navigation bar. So find the layout and nav bar. So I'm saying dot svg. Okay, so here are two files which they are using because we have selected the png and jpg file before few minutes ago. Now copy paste, So once again, okay, now right click, inspect element, console, boom, you are ready to go. Okay, so it's giving you logo dark.svg. So where is the logo dark.svg? So here is the logo dark svg error. So resources media, you can check this manually where it is and why it's not working. So go to the media resources theme, and here is the media. So as you can see in the media you have the logo sections. So you have the logo, in the logo you have the logo dot svg file. Okay, it's there, but I don't know why it's not working. So .svg media, the path is also fine. Okay, let's find the dark again. Okay, okay, here is your mesh. So let's find a place, and also from here to here, boom, flash, auto refresh. So now you have successfully added the images in your theme. So as you can see, these are the static images, control 0. So let me show you the images. If you go to this one, it's working fine. As you can see, it's working fine. If you go to the whole theme, also working fine, 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 fine from navigation bar to the bottom. So you have successfully implemented the Bootstrap 5 theme with the Vite and also with the ChatGPT. So we have not used the ChatGPT. So this is our experience. So that's why it's straightforward.